Punjabi actor and comedian Jaswinder Bhalla, beloved for his memorable characters and unique style of humor, has passed away. He died on 22nd August in Mohali. He was 65 years old. Bhalla had been unwell for some time, but the exact cause of his death has not yet been confirmed. Soon after news of his passing spread, many Punjabi celebrities and politicians took to social media to express their grief. Actor Gippy Grewal shared several photos of Bhalla on Instagram along with an emotional message. Shocked by the sudden loss, Gippy called Bhalla a father figure and mentor to him. He wrote, "It's very hard to believe. I'm in shock. He was like a father, mentor, and the talented actor to us in the whole industry, creating memories and enjoying moments like family. Our bond was very strong. This is the worst news. May he rest in peace. All my strength to the family. His legacy will live on through his work, and his impact on our lives will never be forgotten. I'll cherish the memories we shared and the lessons he taught me. You will always be in my heart, Jaswinder Bhalla Bhaji." Actress Jasmine Bhasin also shared Gippy's post and wrote about how much she will miss Bhalla's energy and love for his craft. "Waking up to the news of sad demise of Bhalla sir breaks my heart. I was lucky to work with you sir, will miss your energy, your love for your craft. I am sure you'll be lighting up the heaven now with your positivity and love." According to Punjabi media reports, Jaswinder Bhalla's last rites will be held on 23rd August at 12 p.m. at the Balungi Crematorium in Mohali. A large gathering of fans and fellow artists is expected to pay their final respects. He is survived by his wife, Parmdeep Bhalla, son, Pukhraj Bhalla, and daughter, Ashpreet Kaur, who is married and settled in Norway. Jaswinder Bhalla's unique humor and unforgettable performances will continue to live in the hearts of his fans forever. Krishna Abhishek and Kiku Sharda, the two comedy stars we've loved watching for years, are now making headlines for something unexpected. A video has gone viral from the sets of the Great Indian Kapil Show, showing a heated argument between Krishna and Kiku, and fans are both shocked and confused. The clip begins with Kiku saying, "Time pass kar raha hoon." To this, Krishna gets upset and replies, "तो फिर ठीक है, आप कर लो, भाई कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं जाता हूँ यहाँ से." Kiku then responds with, "बात ये है कि मुझे बुलाया है तो मैं अपना खत्म कर लो ना पहले." Krishna tries to calm things down and says, "I love you and respect you. I don't want to raise my voice." The video ends with Kiku saying, "Raise voice का बात नहीं है, आप इसको गलत तरीके से लेके जा रहे हैं." In the video, crew members can be seen trying to calm the situation, but what's strange is, Kapil Sharma is nowhere in sight. The video has left fans wondering, is this real or just a prank? One user wrote, "I think they both are good friends. इतना टाइम से दोनों प्ले करते आ रहे हैं शो पार. I don't think it's real. सोचा होगा चलो थोड़ा prank कर ले. Video बनके, cause both are comedy." Another user felt the argument was genuine, saying, "इतने सारे लोग फेक नहीं होते. It's real argument." A third comment shared mixed feelings. "Fake है दो ठीक है, अगर नहीं है दो it's so sad." As of now, neither Krishna Abhishek nor Kiku Sharda has made any official statement about the video or the alleged fight. Was it a real fight or just a staged prank between friends? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from the Great Indian Kapil Show. In a shocking incident, YouTuber and Bigg Boss OTT Season 2 winner Elvish Yadav's house in Gurugram was attacked last week by 3 unidentified men on bikes. The assailants were not there to intimidate, they opened fire, unleashing a wave of fear and panic. The attack took place between 5:30 and 6 a.m. when Elvish and his family were fast asleep. According to reports, the attackers fired more than 24 bullets at the residence. CCTV footage captured 2 armed men running toward the house, firing multiple rounds at the gates, windows, doors, and even the balconies of the upper floors. One of the assailants was seen climbing the gate and directly targeting the main door of Elvish's newly constructed 16 BHK mansion. Later that day, Elvish took to Instagram to reassure fans of his and his family's safety. "I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for your good wishes. My family and I are safe and well. Your kind thoughts and concern are truly appreciated. Thank you," he wrote. But the situation escalated further when a group called the Bhau Gang came forward and claimed responsibility for the attack. An Instagram post from the group read, "Jai Bhole Ki. Today, a shooting took place at Elvish Yadav's house. It was carried out by Neeraj Faridpur and Bhau Ritolia. He has destroyed a lot of homes by promoting illegal betting apps." The gang also issued a public threat. "It is a warning to all such insects on social media, like Elvish Yadav. Whoever promotes these apps, be aware, a call or a bullet could come at any time. Stay alert." Now, in the latest development, one of the accused, Ishant alias Ishu Gandhi, has been arrested following a police encounter in Faridabad. A video from the encounter shows Ishu, already injured, firing more than 6 rounds from an automatic pistol at police officers before being subdued and taken to a hospital. Authorities later confirmed that Ishu is a resident of Jawahar Colony in Faridabad. As the investigation unfolds, Elvish Yadav's fans remain in shock and are calling for swift justice against those responsible for the violent attack. What do you think about this terrifying incident? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more updates. Ranbir Kapoor's Instagram activity, or should we say alleged Instagram activity, is once again the talk of the town. Social media users claim that Ranbir's brand account, Arcs, recently liked an old Instagram reel featuring Deepika Padukone and her sister, Anisha Padukone. In the fun video, the Padukone sisters are seen decorating a cake together, and fans were quick to spot the alleged like from Arcs. But here's the twist, that like has now disappeared and we couldn't verify it. Even if this social media buzz is true, no one knows whether it was Ranbir himself who liked the post or just someone from his brand's team. One user joked, "Not Ranbir accidentally using his brand page instead of his spare account." Another said, "The algorithm accidentally registered an interaction." And someone else wrote, "I'm just here for the drama." Of course, not everyone is taking it seriously. One comment read, "Y'all are so weird. People are massively overreacting in the quotes. Must be liked by the admin of that page, weirdos." Another user added, "Okay, this is cute. He probably knows Anisha well, and this is totally harmless except for the fact that Stan Wars have made it ugly." And finally, someone summed it up perfectly. "Even if he or the admin liked it, why are these people crying in quotes lol?" Meanwhile, Ranbir Kapoor is super busy shooting for Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayan, a massive two-part epic with stars like Yash, Amitabh Bachchan, Sunny Deol, Sai Pallavi, and more. With a jaw-dropping budget of 4,000 crore rupees, it's officially the most expensive Indian film ever. As for Deepika Padukone, she's working on a pan-India sci-fi thriller titled R22XA6, directed by Atlee and starring Allu Arjun. So, do you think it was just a harmless like or something more? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest Bollywood updates. The wait is finally over. Salman Khan has officially begun shooting for his much-anticipated war drama, Battle of Galwan, and the internet can't keep calm. A picture from the film's set in Ladakh has gone viral on social media, showing the Bollywood superstar posing with the crew. While Salman hasn't revealed his full look yet, the image, featuring his back, gives fans a glimpse of his transformation into a soldier for the role. Directed by Apurva Lakhia, Battle of Galwan is already creating massive buzz across social media and fan communities. The film will see Salman portraying Colonel B. Santosh Babu, the Indian Army officer who sacrificed his life during the 2020 Galwan Valley clash between Indian and Chinese forces, a role that's expected to be both emotional and powerful. In the viral image, Salman is dressed casually in a navy blue shirt and light blue denim jeans, standing against the stunning snow-covered mountains of Ladakh. The backdrop, combined with the raw energy of the shoot, suggests that the actor is going all out to get into the skin of his character. Interestingly, the film's first shooting schedule was initially planned in Mumbai, but the production team decided to scrap the city set in favor of authentic on-location filming in Ladakh. This change in plans highlights the team's commitment to realism and authenticity, adding even more excitement to the project. Apart from Salman Khan, the film stars Chitrangada Singh as the female lead. The supporting cast includes Ankur Bhatia, Zain Shaw, and others. With a compelling story, stunning visuals, and a heartfelt tribute to real-life heroes, Battle of Galwan is shaping up to be one of the most powerful films of the year. Stay tuned for more exclusive updates on this emotionally charged and visually gripping war drama. Let me know if you'd like a headline variation or a version for Instagram captions or news stickers.